Welcome to 11/24/7. This report is designed to show you how the 11 organs of the body are designed to work 24/7. Our first scientist is Loretta Williams, a second lieutenant in the Med Service Corps.
The integumentary system forms the external body covering and protecting the deep layers of tissue from injury, synthesizing vitamin D and housing continuous pain. The parts of the integumentary system include hair, skin, and nails. This is the outer layer. Next, I will be giving a brief overview of the skeletal system. The system protects and supports the body, also provides a framework for the muscles to cause movements. The blood cells that are formed within the bones store minerals. The skeletal system consists of bones and joints. Then we have the muscular system, which allows the manipulation of the environment around you. This system controls functions such as locomotion, facial expressions, and maintaining posture and producing heat. Each of the muscles that make up the muscular system is an organ constructed of skeletal muscles, tissue, blood vessels, tendons, and nerves. Thank you.
Next, we have Dr. Jasmine Stewart, MD, talking about the nervous, endocrine, and cardiovascular system.
The nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord, and sensory organs, and all the nerves throughout the body. Together, these organs are responsible for the control of the body and the communication amongst its parts. The brain and the spinal cord work together to form the central nervous system, where information is evaluated and decisions are essentially made. The sensory nerves and the sensory organs of the peripheral nervous system monitor the conditions inside and outside the body and send information to the central nervous system. Secondly, we have the endocrine system, which includes all the glands of the body and the hormones produced by those glands. Most hormones lead to many powerful and diverse responses. So by regulating the function of the organs, the glands better help to maintain homeostasis. Such glands include the adrenal gland, parathyroid gland, the pineal gland, pituitary gland, and the thyroid gland. Last but not least, we have the hypothalamus, the pancreas, the gonads, and the thymus. They play a major role in hormone regulation. Lastly, we have the cardiovascular system that consists of the heart, blood vessels, and approximately 5% of the blood that transports throughout the body. The cardiovascular system has three major functions, which is the transportation of nutrients all throughout the body, the protection of pathogens, as well as the regulation of the body's homeostasis.
Girl, get up! You're gonna be late for class!
Did you wake up after a night of sun feeling like you've been hit by a train? Did you decide to have one too many libations? If so, Turn Down is just what you need. Turn Down is the newest, greatest product to cure the cellulitis. In other words, cure your hangover. It's packed with electrolytes and analgesics. Turn Down. Warning. Consult your doctor before use if you have high blood pressure, diabetes, liver disease, and any autoimmune disease. Discontinue use if swelling, hives, redness, rash, or shortness of breath occur.
I think I'm ready now.
Next, we have Dr. Ian Lawrence, PhD, Biochemistry, talk about lymphatic and respiratory system.
The lymphatic system is the human body's amazing fighting force. It attacks foreign substances as an immune response. The lymphatic system is comprised of a series of vessels, nodes, the thymus, spleen, bone marrow, and the thoracic duct. The lymphatic vessels collect fluid from the blood vessels. The lymphatic system is also home to the white blood cells, which play a key role in the immune response. Also, the respiratory system is made up of the nasal cavity, the pharynx, larynx, trachea, and bronchus. This intricate network is keeping the blood supplied with oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. The expansion of the lungs, which is also a part of the respiratory system, signifies the gaseous exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide within the air sacs and the walls.
For tonight's last segment, we are going to talk about digestive, urinary, male and female reproductive system. I'm Dr. Fabiola Perez, MD. The digestive system breaks down food into absorbable units that enter the blood for distribution to body cells. Indigestible foodstuffs are eliminated as feces. The digestive system is composed of the oral cavity, esophagus, liver, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, rectum, and anus. The urinary system eliminates nitrogenous waste from the body, regulates water, electrolytes, and acid balance of the blood. The urinary system is composed of the kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. The reproductive system is composed of the male and the female reproductive system. Ovular function is production of offspring. Testes produce the sperm and male sex hormones, and male ducts and glands aid delivery of sperm to the female reproductive tract. Ovaries produce eggs and female sex hormones. The remaining female structures serve as sites for fertilization development of the fetus, like you can see right here. Mammary glands of female breast produce milk to nourish the newborn. The male reproductive system is composed of the prostate gland, ductus deferens, penis, testes, and scrotum. The female reproductive system is composed of the mammary glands, ovaries, uterine tube, uterus, and vagina. That concludes tonight's broadcast. Tonight's broadcast was brought to you by Turn Down. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Dr. Fabiola Perez, signing off.